Reel it in. Reel it in. Okay, back it up, back up. Oh, he got off the hook.
I use a wad of dough, raw dough, because the fish here really like it. Cut a bullhead.
Nice one. Nice bullhead, Samuel. Okay, there's a huge pocket of bullheads just to the right-hand side of the rapids here. I'm gonna point to them. They're right in here. Huge, there's a deep pocket, it's about 6 feet deep, and it's chock full of bullheads. To the right, along closer to the shoreline here, there's a huge pocket of sunfish. And the bowfish, they kind of swim in circles around to feed on all the panfish. Just haven't seen any today. Today I am trying to fish with some of Frank's hot dogs, and we'll see if I catch a dogfish on it. I bet I will. Huh?
On.
On?
Now.
All right. Here we go.
Ooh, what do we have here?
Nice dogfish. Hold on.
Oh, look down. Look down.
Okay. Get that guy out.
Looks like we're getting a hook out of dogfish. We have been trying to get this dogfish for days, and it looks like we finally caught it.
Here, get it over here,
In
Frank.
this section right here.
Franklin, get it over here. Okay.
Ah.
Ouch.
It's out.
Okay, check this
Look
out.
at this dogfish.
Okay. Nice dogfish.
Nice. Look at how long that thing is.
Yep.
No, I'm not zooming in.
And another bullhead. They are fighting like crazy on hot dogs and dough. There's a bag of dough. Just bread dough from the grocery store. And a little bullhead action. So far that's like 3 bullheads and 1 dogfish on hot dogs. Today we are seining the creek for fish. So Franklin and Samuel are out there.
A lot harder.
Stop.
If you get right by that rock there, that's where you want. That's where you should stop.
Stop, stop. Okay. Stop. No, stop. Okay. We'll open it up a little bit. And then we'll come up. Walk towards. Remember, keep it down low, okay? Okay, come on up and out.
You got some? Oh my God!
We got some fish. The
Okay, okay, ready? Let's see.
What'd you catch? One little tiny fish. One tiny fish.
My sandal.
Nice little sunny.
Fishies.
I'm gonna sneak up on a snapper right now. Watch this.
Yeah. Need the next.
Nice snapper. Here, get a shot of him looking at you.
Video.
Just pulled in a snapper. Look at that guy.
Still trying to eat that hot dog we used as bait.
Yep. Minnehaha!